Welcome back, dedicated entrepreneurs and growth-driven founders. Are you ready to take your fundraising game to the next level? Today, we're diving into a topic that will supercharge your pitch deck. How to keep your pitch deck updated. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey to ensure your presentation evolves alongside your startup, leaving investors in awe. First things first, regular reviews are your secret weapon. Whether it's every quarter, every 6 months, or right after you hit major milestones, you need to make time to assess and update your pitch deck. It's like giving your startup a virtual facelift, showcasing its latest accomplishments and growth. Forget stale metrics. It's all about the freshest numbers in town. Let your pitch deck shine brightly with the latest data on user growth, revenue, and other critical metrics. Those numbers speak volumes and show investors that you're not just in the game, you're crushing it. Ready to spice things up? Feedback is your secret sauce. Take pride in using insights from previous pitches to level up your presentation. Clear up any muddy points, enhance your storytelling, and mesmerize your audience with a pitch that flows like a symphony. But wait, there's more. Market analysis is not a one-time thing. Stay ahead of the curve by incorporating fresh research, juicy trends, and competitive analysis. Show investors that you're not just a player in the game, you're a game changer. Now, let's talk about visuals that will make your pitch deck the talk of the town. It's time for a makeover. Give your deck a fresh new look that screams professionalism and innovation. Because let's be honest, nobody likes a stale and boring presentation. Oh, did we mention achievements? What's the latest and greatest? New partnerships? Client wins? Major milestones? Don't keep them hidden. Flaunt your successes and let them serve as undeniable proof of your startup's potential. Don't approach every investor the same way. Customize, customize, customize. Tailor your pitch deck to each specific investor group or presentation. Spotlight the aspects most relevant and compelling to them. Show them that you understand their world and how your startup fits perfectly into it. Last but not least, brevity is the key to success. As you update your deck, make sure every slide has a purpose. Cut out the fluff and let each addition strengthen your narrative without overwhelming your audience. Leave them hungry for more. By keeping your pitch deck updated and engaging, you'll not only maintain its relevance, but you'll also leave investors eager to join your startup journey. Now it's your turn to shine. Share your tips and experiences on how you keep your pitch deck fresh and aligned with your startup's growth. Let's rock this.